Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, and this is my first video of the year. I have done a bit of shopping, so I wanted to do a full face almost of new products. So if you want to see what I do, then just continue watching. So the first new thing I used is the NYX Eye Base in white. By the way, my voice sounds like this, but it's very early in the morning. It is like, yeah, so that's why I sound like a man. The next new product I'll be using is the 39L palette. I'm going to be using this section, the red section. So I'm going to start with Hot Stuff, this red there. Like when I practice this look, I use like as many reds as I could, but I don't have time to do all that. When I saw it was £42, I'm just like, who do morphe think they are? I'm not paying that. So I got it from Cult Beauty for £21 when it was on sale. Yeah, so that's Hot Stuff. Gonna go into For Real, which is the brown, and pop that all over my eyelid and blend these two shades together. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back into the brush I used for Hot Stuff. And just keep blending it until you're happy with it. I'm gonna add one more colour, wet the room on my lid. I'm just using my finger. Yeah, and this is without me even adding anything, like any setting spray to my finger or anything. So here I would say it's up to you whether you want to deepen up the sides or if you want to just leave it how it is. But I'll just go over it a little bit with For Real. I'm not really deepening it up, I'm just giving the brown a home. It's not a Toni-Anne video about me dropping a brush. I'm just going to moisturize my face with a cream from Boots. It's a traditional skin cream. Because with this weather, my skin has been extremely dry, especially my cheeks here. Been getting dry patches, and my skin's been having texture, and my skin doesn't get texture like that, so not been very happy about that. Before I prime. Okay, so while I've been away, I've also got new foundation. I replaced my Fenty Pro Filter long wear foundation, and I also got the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in chestnut. I'm not going to use this in today's video because I know this one is long lasting, so that's what I need. It just gives me that sort of bronzy look that I love, which I might have used a lot. Okay, so for concealer, I can either use the Maybelline one, which technically I just bought a new one, so it's new, or I can use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, which I also got in 12.2. With this one, I literally just take the tiniest amount, pop it there, and on my nose. I hate, yeah, with the Milani one, I hate the smell. It smells very like, not plasticine, it just, I don't like it. I have the word in my head, but I can't think of it. Yeah, I hate it. and I just tap it out like that. You see, it's a lot of product on that little swipe. Yeah, this concealer is a bit on the neutral side for me. I'm used to my concealers being a bit more golden. Like it's not my favorite, to be fair. And the thing that's annoying is that I bought two, so I'm gonna have to use up this color. Just want to make sure the coverage is good right under my eye. Okay, that's enough. I also bought these sponges, the Real Techniques ones. See if I can open. We go wet it, and I'll be right back. You see, it's not bad, but it doesn't give me the brightening that a more golden concealer would. Okay, that's concealer. The powder's not new, so I'll just quickly powder. Using the Makeup Revolution one. Okay, so another new thing I bought as well is the Black Opal face powder in dark. I've wanted a face powder forever, because sometimes, you know, when you put on too much of the yellow powder, you lose your colour, and I like my melanin. I do look pale, so I'm just gonna pop it all over my face. Just like the lightest amount. It doesn't have like the most colour, so it's not going to remove any of the yellowness that the banana powder put in my face. With the Fenty foundation, I don't really need this step as much as I do with, for instance, the Milani one. And I also got this on sale for £9, so I don't know how much this originally is. But hopefully I can find it again when I need it. Because I'm very powdery now, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. It's better. Okay, so the next new product is, I finally got it, the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty. I sound so English when I say naughty, but girl, you awesome. The thing is, the first time I used it, I really thought, oh, it's not doing that much, you know. And then I went downstairs and took pictures, and I'm like, wow, my forehead bronzed. And I tried to buy, you know, full Fenty face, like the foundation. I did get the eyeshadows. I got number 4 and number 5, which is the peach and rose ones. Oh, do we know? So I will do a video using those, because I actually haven't used those yet. I was just really keen to use the Morphe one, simply because I got it half price as well. I'm just like, bargains. Yeah, I tried to buy all the stuff, and then if you saw the price of my basket, so basically my basket came up to like £500. Who the hell did I think I was? I was just picking up stuff, so I had to put stuff back. So I ended up putting the concealer and the powder, the face powder, I put back. I may actually use one of the Snap Shadows for blush. Yeah, I'm going to use, okay, so that's number 4. This is number 5. So I'm going to use that colour to add a blush today. Yeah, I don't know the shade names. I know that they've put the shade names out, but yeah, it's just the orange at the bottom. Oh wow. Wow. Well, it's not orange, more of a peach. Oh, the peach palette. Stupid. It's actually blending into quite like a sort of natural blush. I was going to say natural, but I don't know. But I like it. So I'm going to use Patricia's lipstick with MAC on the outer corners. And then I'm going to use the Soph X Revolution lipstick in Fudge. Pretty. I don't have a new highlight, but colour called Beam in the 39L, and it's calling me and I'm ignoring its calls. Or I have been. So now I'm answering. Ooh. On the nose. And this is an eyeshadow. It's lit. That's why when people are like, why you buy so much eyeshadows and all that? I'm just like, it's multi-purpose as well, you know. I'm not just putting them on my eyes. Not for all the money I've spent. No, ma'am. I set my face again. I'm gonna set my face again. Yeah, very pretty. I'm going to get my hair done today, but I can't retouch my hair. Like, my hair is in a... So I'll just retie my thing as the final look. Last but not least, I got this Lash Vault from Prima Lash, and I'm going to use D11. I can't see, so you guys will see D11. So I'm gonna come back with them on. Okay, lashes are on. I hope you can't see how badly that one is blended, but yeah. Okay, final step. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the red on my lower lash line. And I think I'm done. Using the same brush and just brushing it lightly underneath. And I'm still within time. I'm not gonna be late. Woo! I think I'm gonna use the Glow Revolution spray. Any did get on. So I'm just gonna retie this and then come back. Okay, so here's the final look. Where did it go? I don't know where the earring went. It's not mine. Anyway, just ignore that. I'll just take it out. Yeah, so here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
2,000 years later.
Let me know. Bad idea. Oh. You know that fresh hair feeling? She ain't ready to move yet. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.